I'm about to turn it on, man.
Do what?
I want to hear everything that happens during this.
I got some extra rope. You probably not going to see it. I'll take out this one. Start now. How about? How big around is she?
She's not quite as big as that one in there.
Looks just like that one?
She's smaller.
Yeah. Look, baby, she's as big as that dog? Do a figure eight on the bike. You got that catch pole?
Yeah.
And they can put that around the...
They can, if he can just get her up to here, I can lay down and pick her up.
Now, you know, we have a catch. She's got a catch pole. Right. Would that be easier? Well, we're just going to try to get her up underneath her first to get her pulled out.
But that'll go around.
I'm talking about putting her catch pole. We'll try to work it up underneath her.
Yeah, but that rope would be better because that thing's a thin cable. It might hurt. It'll probably hurt her worse than that rope would. If we can get your rope under her.
Fine. Fine. You got enough here to rinse the rope in there? Doc, man the hole and tell me. Put those on over. She's going to probably start biting now.
No, I don't think so.
Well, what I'm saying is she can't see it. She's in a...
She's scared. She's scared.
Yeah. She aggressive?
No.
No.
Aggressive? Okay. How old is she? You got to cover a lot on the boat. Well. I may need to get you the hammer days in a minute.
Alright, I'll be right here.
Take my helmet off there, Gracie! Knots right here, Chief. I'll pull her up that side. Yeah. Pulling the dog over him down there? No. Oh, can it come up? I'm saying if this thing starts to get a crappy furry, and I holler, get him out.
More of this? What's that?
Huh?
I hear you, Gracie girl. I know you're ready to be out of here. It's hot down here. No, he's standing.
Yeah, they're standing. Fine. Yeah. That starts to happen. If you let once you go to your right, you just pull it back there.
I got the back of
You know, go in there, go between the two. And when we slide you about it. Ground feels stable under your feet. Ground ain't stable under his feet. Full tension. You need a little bit of tension on the line. What's up? They've been throwing stuff in there looking like it's like an old tile and everything down there. I'm still a hold it over the years. Yeah.
Are you able to touch her yet? Okay.
Bright light coming through.
Where's that bright light? Alright, I got tension on my rope. Give me just a little bit.
Alright, a little bit. They hold up on that. I said, no, get my finger back and hold it on those ones.
Sure, that green light's still flashing on top of it.
See big thing.
Need a little bit slack, Dad. Give me. No, you got it. Alright, that's good. little bit flat.
Be careful, Annie.
Got her? Yeah, give me some tension.
Tension on the dog. Pull it over.
Alright, hang on.
Pull it over behind the backboard.
Alright, somebody's gonna have to pull this with me.
Over here.
Behind the backboard?
Yeah,
right
get it
here?
over behind the backboard.
Alright.
That way.
Ready? What you need? Hang on just a second.
Hang on.
Hold on.
What do you need, buddy?
Alright, I got tension on her. Got the bolt around her back, on the back of her front leg. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to swing this way a little bit, okay? To guide her up.
Okay.
Alright? Once she gets up to me, I'm gonna get back in this hole.
Okay, because you're getting out of your safe zone when you do
I
that.
know.
Way out of safe zone now.
Go ahead and start pulling
Yeah,
on.
we
Okay?
Alright, you're gonna start. Right. Pull on that, you're gonna get dirt in on it, man.
Push it down there.
Okay. Well, after we see her,
You got her?
Come on.
You want us to pull? Yeah. Alright.
Leave it now.
Come on, girl.
Brian, come up with her.
Come on, girl.
Tension up.
Tension up on Brian. Tension
Pitch
up.
up on Brian.
Good girl.
Oh, baby,
I got her. I got her.
There you go.
Okay. David, there you go. Come on.
Come on, grab her leg. Come on, little girl right
There you go.
Out on Brian, out on Brian.
Gracie, come here, baby. Gracie. Gracie. Come on, baby.
Hang on.
This is towel. This is towel, honey. You want to wipe her face?
Look at that.
It's a big one.
Hey, Gracie.
12, no one. Come on, back dog. She makes she's happy. See if I don't care.
Did he get out of her?
Everything takes its time.
Yeah, that's not good. She was there. Yes, he did, baby.
Good job, Brian.
Yes. Yeah,